Hi, Sabini Weenie. Hi. Hi, Sabini Weenie. Hi. Hi. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Oh, thank you. Now I gotta go. I gotta do stuff. Go on. Go on. Go get the ball. Go grab a ball. I'm gonna play fetch. Go grab a ball. Ah! I know. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And here is the big news that I've been holding out for a while. I decided I'm going to Widebody the JGTC MIata. For none other than the fact that it's got some terrible cosmetic damage from just some previous incidences, and I figured if I'm going to go through the effort of cutting a quarter, replacing it, doing all that stuff, why not make the car look and stand out and perform? So I decided I'm going to try to fit 245s or higher, put a decent amount of weight behind it and a decent amount of power, and pray that nothing breaks. It feels kind of stupid, but at the same time, I've always wanted to kind of replicate the JGTC MIata. And when I looked into that kit, because I thought it would have been super cool just to replicate that 100%. Got the spoiler, my 9 lives and everything. And the kit was like $9 grand. And I couldn't justify $9 grand for some over fenders and a sick bumper. Like the bumper was phenomenal. So I decided to go with carbon MIata Widebody, and it was nowhere near that price. So in an effort to kind of be cost effective, this is not really the most cost effective MIata anymore, and stand out and just make some clearance and stuff like that for larger tires, we're gonna do this. So I figured, now that I introduced you, the fit and finish of this is, I'm not going to say it's the best, it's not the worst. It is fiberglass. It's definitely going to need some TLC to make it look better and fit, but I mean, for what you pay for, you get a pretty decent kit here. It came with replacement fenders, over fenders for the rear quarter, side extensions, which will help cover up my giant side exhaust that was the worst mistake ever. Some little kick down panels that'll go on, debate if I want to put these on the front bumper or not. And that's about it. Here goes the start of me replicating the infamous JGTC MIata. There you guys have it. This is my version of the JGTC MIata. Obviously it's not that, it's completely different, but it's kind of like my rendition. It does look a little ridiculous. I do have some new wheels and tires coming to kind of fill that out, but I'm not going to be running anything big right now. Honestly, it's nothing that I probably couldn't have fit under the stock NA chassis. It's going to be a 245 on a 9-inch wheel, 25 offset or so, and it'll fill it up a little bit. But my idea behind this is to eventually get a more ideal weight from it, see what it is, and see how much weight I can technically add on comfortably or realistically, and then add more power. Hopefully with a little more weight to a Miata, I can add a little more power, and it'll be able to keep up a little more consistently. Obviously, driver is all about this. I can make this look as nice as I want. It can be as fast as I want, but if I'm not a good enough driver, it's not going to mean a damn thing. But at least I'll give myself a more consistent opportunity to be successful versus not having a platform that I can see if I'm even worthy of being fast enough, you know. I knew I did pretty good with the stock chassis, but also wasn't the best. So like I said, it's been a little project of mine. It's winded up becoming a more of a passion project than anything, and kind of being able to fulfill some childhood dreams, and that little inner child of me wanted to do this, and now I'm able to do it. So it's pretty much why that's pretty much why I'm doing this, and actually being able to compete with it. So yeah, there it is. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely something different. It was definitely something to be a little more test my creative skills and stuff like that. So definitely enjoyed making this. I hope you guys love it. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Definitely subscribe, because I do have more stuff like that coming. There's still a few more things this car's got to get, including a tune. I'm waiting on some brakes still, and other than that, after it's ready to go, at least do a rundown and hopefully be able to acquire some tickets to Grid Life or to Midwest Fest. If not, then as crappy as that's going to be, you know, you win some, you lose some, but at least the car will be able to be more refined. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys are interested in any of the products I have on the vehicle, I will leave a link in the description below. If you're interested in any of the hood vents and louvers and apparel through Spike Performance, I will leave a link in the description below. If you're interested in any AWR products, I will leave a link in the description below, and use code Zitro on checkout for 10% off. And if you're interested in any Track Dog Racing power adders, I'll leave a link in the description below. And as always, guys, I really, truly appreciate you guys watching. It does mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys at the track later.